can you tour me sa iyong vanity table?
Okay, so this is
Okay.
my egg.
Alright.
And these are bottles.
Empty bottles. Okay.
Brushes.
Just in case.
Brushes.
Okay.
And cards.
Alright.
And I don't know what this is.
Makeup.
And
Flash on. Empty container.
and
Of course, kailangan may rose.
and
Lip tint. Okay. Different kind of lip tint.
and
Brushes. Okay.
and more brushes.
Okay.
Wipes.
Facial wipes.
And drawers
Drawers.
with my earphones.
Alright. And
And-
what's inside your drawer? Okay. You have two drawers, left and right.
These
What's
are-
inside the right drawer?
My ponies.
Wow! Ang pagkakaalam ko sa vanity mirror, ang laman dapat niyan is makeup.
And over here are my school stuff.
Okay, ayan. Ang kanyang mga school stuff.
And here are
And of course, hindi mawawala talaga ang mga toys. Ayan. Nice. And of course, meron din dito.
and
Ayan. May mirror, meron ding light yung mirror niya pero hindi namin sinaksak. So, ayan, that's it. Thank you for touring us, Bev. Bye-bye. Nice. You have a very nice vanity mirror. What are you gonna say to your mom and dad?
thank you.
Love you.